And then trust move number 2 is your branded design framework. We're going to talk about the header, the body text, and also the footer. And every campaign that you send should follow the exact same structure. So first we're going to start with the header. The header always contains your strongest USP in the header bar, because that is the first thing that people actually see. Then the headline, and then the first call to action above the fold. And then the body. What is important with email marketing is one email must contain one clear message. So simply don't try to add multiple call to actions into one email, because that is only distraction. One email, one message. Make sure to also use short scannable copy with bullet points or icons. Especially if you're using a product that has a lot of benefits, try to sum them up with bullet points instead of very long texts. So why is that? That is because the customer should get the full message in just 5 seconds. So if your texts are too long, the customer is probably not going to read it all. Therefore, make sure that the copy is as easy to scan as possible. And then we're going to talk about the footer. Footer should always contain the final call to action and also should contain a couple of USP points. And then in the end, you can always include a logo on social media and also a clear unsubscribe link. Because if people want to unsubscribe, you have to make it as easy for them as possible, because those are not the people that you actually want to send emails to.